AI and the future of retail e-commerce are inseparable. In 2026, artificial intelligence isn't just an add-on, it's the backbone of how modern e-commerce operates. From product discovery to pricing, logistics, and customer experience, AI is redefining how online businesses compete and grow. Let's start with product research and sourcing. AI has transformed how sellers find profitable products. Tools like Smart Scout, ChatGPT, and Tactical Arbitrage now analyze millions of data points across multiple marketplaces to identify trends, predict demand, and uncover gaps in supply. Instead of relying on instinct, sellers can use AI to forecast what customers will want next and source those products before the market catches on. In pricing and competition management, AI has become indispensable. Modern repricing tools use machine learning to dynamically adjust prices based on real-time market conditions, competitor behavior, and demand fluctuations. This allows sellers to maximize profit while maintaining buy box share automatically. Predictive repricing even anticipates competitor stockouts, raising prices strategically to capture higher margins. On the customer side, AI personalizes every interaction. E-commerce platforms now use AI to recommend products, optimize search results, and even write product descriptions tailored to customer intent. Chatbots powered by natural language models handle customer service 24/7, providing instant responses and reducing support costs. Inventory and logistics are evolving too. Predictive analytics can now anticipate inventory needs weeks in advance by tracking sales velocity and external factors like seasonality or social trends. Automated fulfillment systems then use AI to route products through the most efficient shipping paths, cutting delivery times and costs. Marketing has also entered the AI era. Instead of manually managing ads, AI ad managers on platforms like Meta, Google, and TikTok optimize campaigns automatically, analyzing engagement data in real time. AI-generated video content and voiceovers allow even small sellers to create professional marketing materials without large budgets. Perhaps the most exciting development is AI-driven brand intelligence. Sellers can now use AI tools to monitor their brand reputation, detect counterfeit listings, and identify new market opportunities globally. AI's predictive capabilities make business planning less reactive and more strategic. As AI continues to advance, the lines between retail, technology, and data science are blurring. E-commerce businesses that embrace AI today are building future-proof systems, ones that learn, adapt, and improve automatically. The result is faster decision-making, higher profitability, and a more personalized customer experience. But with all this innovation comes responsibility. Sellers must use AI ethically, protecting customer data, ensuring transparency, and avoiding manipulation. The businesses that combine AI power with human integrity will lead the next decade of e-commerce. In the future, AI won't just support online retail, it will be online retail. From sourcing to sales, automation to analytics, AI is transforming every stage of the e-commerce journey. The question isn't whether you'll use it, it's how fast you'll adapt to make it your competitive advantage.